And this is kind of interesting. I don't use a ton of Zillow stuff because some of it but I thought this was fairly interesting. Make sure that that link here is going to be live that goes out in that weekly update. And what it does is it gives you what Zillow's forecast is for the coming 12 months on prices. So Zillow's saying that we're up about 2.8% year over year. And clearly there's a lot of different metrics because we just looked at NAR saying 4%. So you look at Zillow's kind of estimate on what it is expecting over the next 12 months. It's less than a 1% increase. And so if you're looking, especially you're having conversations with different sellers, they're trying to decide what they want to do. We are anticipating more activity in the coming year, but we don't know what it's going to do with prices because everything depends on how much supply we have. And so as our supply grows, you can see here some of these expectations in some of these markets are for prices to come down in the coming 12 months. The strongest markets are going to be the ones with the least amount of inventory, and that's really powerful in the Northeast. There's not a ton of listings on the market. Those prices in those markets, we're seeing a lot more increases. And then you can see it here, kind of like the middle South.
Love that. What an interesting graph. Yeah, Zillow forecast. Yeah, that's interesting. Be interesting to see if that comes true.
Yes. I kind of am leaning closer to, based on everything, Zillow's numbers and NAR's numbers. Sometimes what NAR will do is that will take data from pending and they will put that in active. They will put it in the sales side. And so it's kind of like, well, pending is its own category. It's not both.
Yeah. Well, any way you cut it, if Zillow's numbers are accurate, guys, they're basically saying that home values went up 2.8% July to July. And basically, they're going to be relatively flat over the next year. Less than 1%. Well, okay, less than 1% in our view is pretty flat. So again, nice graph to show to sellers to basically say, look, this is the softening market. Based on Zillow, and every seller knows Zillow. Every seller knows Zillow. So whether Zillow should be relied on or not isn't the point. Most sellers would probably attach a lot of credibility to Zillow because it's such a big name. And bottom line is home values only went up 2.8% over the last year. And Zillow is predicting that they probably aren't going to go up much at all, less than 1%, if anything, over the next year, which means softening demand, more inventory, and well, let's say it this way. It means that there's going to be more inventory in relation to the number of buyers. So it could be more buyers, but there's going to be more inventory. In other words, a softening market. Would that be correct way to say that, Sarah?
Yes. Because the buyers will have more to choose from and more negotiating power.
And more negotiating power. Yeah. Thank you, Sarah.